I've lost close to 150 pounds. This is how I sneak in an extra 10 grams of protein in my egg salads. We'll start with some medium boiled eggs. I boil mine for about 7.5 minutes and drop them in an ice bath. Peel them up, add them to a bowl with some finely diced red onion. To boost the protein, mash up some peas and use a mix of Greek yogurt and mayo. Drop a squirt of mustard, season it up, add some capers or pickles and finely chopped herbs for a burst of flavor, then mash it up and enjoy.
Often these recipes look good, but they're just plain and they got no flavor.
And often they look healthy, but when you do the nutritional analysis, they're high in protein, but not much else.
So let's give this one a go, and I'll let you know whether it fucks or sucks.
And I'll let you know whether or not it's nutrient dense.
My Fuck or Suck series is all about trying vile recipes like this to let you know whether they're worth your time. Now, this is a little bit runny, but I think that's on me. I tend to like my eggs on the softer side, but for this recipe, I think the yolks need to be firm. And to dip it, I'm gonna use this capsicum. Capsicum? What the bloody hell's capsicum? Don't you mean pepper? Pepper? All right, 4 hits on the bench. You know what that means. I'm gonna have to give this one a super fuck. This one ticks all the boxes. It's nutrient dense.
Ooh, stick a pin in that.
It's high in volume, high in protein, and most importantly, it tastes delicious. So go and give it a try for yourself. And until next time, bon appetit, and we'll see you in the next video.
And assuming this makes 2 servings, although you definitely could eat the whole thing, and factoring in the bell pepper for dipping, you're getting per serving 24 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. Over 200% of the daily value for vitamin A and vitamin C, over 60% daily value for vitamin B2 and vitamin B6, half the daily value for vitamin B5, 38% daily value for iron, a little over a quarter of the daily value for vitamin E and zinc, and a fifth of the daily value for vitamin B1 and potassium. It's actually a fantastic amount of nutrition for about 350 calories, which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a nutrivore score of this protein egg salad of 458. To put that number into perspective, any food with a nutrivore score higher than about 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to our overall diet. And this recipe is coming in at 3 times that threshold. So yeah, it is nutrient dense. If you see any recipes you'd like me to analyze, feel free to tag me in them. You'd probably love my free weekly newsletter over on Substack. And if you'd like to support my work, come on over and join my Patreon, which gets tons of exclusive resources, including a weekly podcast and a new ebook every month.
So let's give this one a go, and I'll let you know whether it fucks or sucks.
And I'll let you know whether or not it's nutrient dense. Oh,